The best episode situations, how to not drive car, world worst drivers. This guy made a mistake, not noticing that another car was driving in front of him. Driver of a truck, without a license, could not leave the road, the truck could not stop. A Mercedes hits a large truck to cause an incident. This motorcyclist, recording the road, with a GoPro on his head, captured the collisions. Entering the intersection, the driver of this car forgot about the road traffic enforce. A crane operator made a serious mistake, overrunning another transport vehicle that did not have brakes. This white car, driving at high speed, did not manage to recover at the last moment. Porsche driver, show how not to drive. In this situation he hit the other driver. An incredible moment, caught on the camera. A herd of sheep passes through the middle of the road. Long lorry can't see the small vehicle, it damages it by dragging it behind you. The Opel left unexpectedly. The driver was very surprised. At that moment, he had nowhere to pull over to the side. Refueling the car, this girl forgot to disconnect the fuel line from the car, tearing it off. At a gas station, the driver was driving against the flow, pushing the second car out. The bus unexpectedly encountered another driver who did not know the rules.
Oh my God.
A slow-moving car, while overtaking, did not notice that there was a fast-moving co-driver behind it. In the last second the BMW braked. Best of moment caught on dash cam, Moose ran out into the middle of the highway causing dangers. These drivers did not notice the cars standing in the traffic jam. They were very fast, causing collisions. When entering the intersection, the incredible opening of the side of the trailer almost damaged the vehicle standing next to it. The driver of the silver car could see no other driver on the right as he drove through the intersection. Unsuccessful drift of the BMW driver. At this point the driver wanted to show off his skills, but he failed. A lost wheel in a car is an extreme situation when you are driving on three wheels. Quick passage by the railroad tracks failed. It collided with another vehicle. The van braking sharply. This man has a really good response. He didn't suffer any damage to the car. This driver of this truck carrying liquid materials on the car. Sudden braking caused this liquid to be ejected. A very extreme mistake. A truck ran the way of another vehicle without seeing it in the mirror. Unexpectedly, the vehicle coming from the front turned left, pushing another participant of the traffic away. This guy is showing off, except his incredible driving skills, has a very unbelievable ability. It's very cool.